Hi everyone, ever spent hours copying data from multiple Excel sheets and files? Well, today I'll show you a smarter way. Using Power Query, you can consolidate all workbooks from a folder into a single table in just a few clicks. And what's the best part? The best part is that any new files you add later will automatically update in your consolidated data. And once it's all together, you can use it for pivot tables, charts, or any analysis you want. So let's jump in and make this process super easy. Here you can see that I have a folder containing 3 files. Now in order to use this process, you need to be careful that your folder contains only those files that you want to consolidate. So avoid adding any extra file that you do not want to be the part of your analysis. Moreover, let me show you some more things that you need to take care of. Here you can see I have this file with the name January and it contains the information of sales about different products. And here you can see I have a row containing titles and my data is existing in sheet 1. Now when it comes to the second month, let's say it's our February, here you can see again the titles are in the same order. So if you want to use Power Query for combining your information, keep in mind that the order of information in different files must always be same. Moreover, if the data in any file is existing in sheet 1, then it should also be existing in a similar sheet in file 2. For example, if you rename this sheet in any of the files, then all of your other workbooks must contain the information in the same sheet name. So this is my February file and this is my March information. Now let's start the process of combining them into a single table. First of all, open an empty Excel sheet and here you will find the option of Power Query. Click on that and here you will see the option of From File. Again click on that and choose From Folder. Now here you have to add the information of the folder which contains your files. So click on Browse and from here I am going to choose my folder containing the files. Click on OK and again click on OK. Now here you will start seeing the name of files that are already available in your folder. Here you will find some options. If you click on Combine, some of you will see the option Combine and Transform and here I have the option Combine and Edit. So I am going with this. If you see Combine and Transform, you are supposed to choose that option. Click on that and this will lead us to the Power Query editor. So here you will see the name of different files and here we have to provide the reference from where we want to fetch our data. Basically, all files contain our required information sheet 1. So it is by default showing that sheet. Let's click on that and press OK. And then it will bring you to the Power Query main editor. And here you can see that the information from all the files existing in the folder has been consolidated. In this section, only 2 areas are important. One is your file section and other is your transform sample. So you can make changes in any of the sections if you want to transform your data or to do additional processing on your data. Okay. You can see that our month column and the file name column are almost the same, except the file name is basically containing the extension and the month name is basically the information that we have extracted from sheet 1. So instead of using the month column, I am going to remove it. Right click on that and let's choose Remove. Now let's transform this column so it looks more like a month column instead of a file name. So in order to do this, select this column and go to Add Column option. From here, choose Custom Column and here you can give the name to your column. Let's type month name and here you are supposed to type the formula text dot for delimiter and within square brackets you are supposed to provide the name of your main column. The name is source dot name, so I am going to type it, close the square bracket, insert comma and type the delimiter. Our delimiter is basically the dot, so I am going to place it within inverted commas and close the parenthesis and press OK. And here you can see that a new column has been inserted with the names of your months. So let's move it to the required position by dragging it with the help of mouse. And you can remove the source name from here. Let's remove it from here. And if you want to do more processing on your data, you can do it. Go to Home and click on close and load, and again click on close and load. And here you will see the consolidated table from your information. Now, if you go to your main folder that was containing the 3 files and add any additional files in that, and go to your table, place your cursor on any text field entry and click on refresh, then you can see here that the months of April and May have also been appeared in your data list. So this is the easiest way to consolidate your information from different files. So if you like today's video, then don't forget to hit like, drop a comment, and if you want to learn more tips and tricks like these, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is all for today. Thank you for your time. Stay blessed, stay happy.